tough morning. God, I don't feel good today. I'm gonna call out from work. I don't feel like even going today. I'm gonna just stay home and chill and whatnot. Dead. Yeah, that's right, guys. Welcome to part 4 of Cat Poop Crazy Carl, episode 7, the wake-up call, deep changes. What is this next deep change? You saw my simulation. I decided to take a break and not go to work, not make money to get food, and not hustle. Now, you may have seen some of my other videos where I compare us to animals. Because humans, we are mammals, and mammals are animals, right? Well, one thing I was thinking about was a deep realization I had that changed my life. Changed my life. As I was watching a nature show, and one of the intros to the nature show was, he was like, the purpose of nature is to run faster. And then you must run faster than those that run faster than you. And you must do this when the sun rises and the sun falls. And I was like, the fuck is he talking about? And then I realized, we, the human mammal animal, I can sit in my apartment and I can take the night off. I can take a day off from work. I can do a vacation and I'm fine, right? I still got food. I still eat. I still got light. I can go buy sex if I want it. Tijuana is only 2 hours that way. Okay, you guys might not know what that means. The point is, we're good. But if I were like an animal, a cheetah, a lion, a bear, a mouse, you know what they can't do? They can never take a day off, or a vacation, or time out. Because if they decide, I don't feel like going to hunt right now, they will die. If they feel like, I don't feel like hiding right now before I go to sleep, something will eat them. There is no break. There is no time where you are ever off. The hustle is eternal in all mammals but us. And you know what that made me realize? Which was my moment of clarity, my wake-up moment. When I got woke, when I got it, and I had to make a deep change, I realized, you know what, dude? So what, you're tired. So what, you are sick. So what, nobody likes you. So what, nobody cares what you create. Do it anyway. Because if you don't, you will die. Is eternal life the continuance of productivity? And that's a wake-up call and a deep change. Don't you guys ever stop. Cat Poop Crazy Carl, we got one more, you punk bitches. Let's get it in.